How to buy shares on the Bamboo app. In this video on Global Shares and Stock Academy, I'll be taking us through how we can buy Nigerian stocks on the Bamboo app. So all you need to do is to log into your dashboard and make sure you already have some amount of money, at least minimum of $1 in your account, for you to be able to use it to buy whatsoever shares you want to buy. Here is a disclaimer: this video is for educational purpose only, and I made this video solely to help those who are having difficulty in how to navigate and buy shares. So please make sure you do your own research before you invest any amount of money. So let's proceed. Once you log in, you come to this place. So once you get to this interface, you come down to the lowest part of your phone where you have home, invest, pause, learn and help. You are going to click on that invest that you have there. Once you click on it, it will take you down to this particular interface where you will see all assets that the Bamboo app is offering. So yours is to click on the one you want. So for the purpose of this video, we'll be investing in the Nigerian stock. So you click on this NG stock. This NG means Nigeria stocks. So click on it and give it time to load up. Once it loads up, you are going to see all of these shares that is available on the Bamboo app. Then your own is to pick the one you want to buy and become one of their shareholders. It's as simple as that. So before you buy your shares, make sure you've done your research properly. So make sure you do your own research properly before you invest in any of the shares. So for the purpose of this guide, I'll be buying some shares for us to be able to see how it is being done. So once you get to this place, what you need to do is you cannot start searching. I don't have all that luxury. I don't have all the time. So all you need to do is to come to this place where you saw where it's showing search NG stocks, this search bar. Then you input the stock you want to buy. So I will be going for different sectors of shares. As we all know, we have the banking sector, we have the telecom sector, we have the manufacturing, the transportation, and so on and so forth. So we will split our net in this video. Stay tuned to the end for you to gain something from this. So here you come here and input the stock you want to buy. So first of all, I will be going for banking stock. Under the banking sector, we have the Zenith Bank, we have Wema Bank, we have GTCO, we have the UBA, and so on and so forth. So anyone you want to buy under that sector, just click on this place and type it out. So I will be going for Zenith Bank. Right now you can see this is Zenith Bank shares. It is being sold at 99 naira. You click on it and it will load up this interface for you. Then the next thing is for you to make sure to go through each of this section and read it. You can see this says about Zenith Bank. Zenith Bank PLC is a commercial bank with offices located in several parts of Nigeria. The bank provides services to corporate commercial and individual customer. As we all know, Zenith Bank, or if you don't know it, you are just hearing about it. I believe anybody in Nigeria will know about Zenith Bank. Yeah, it is a financial institution. So we are going for their shares, which is sold at 99 naira. All you need to do then is to click on buy, and it will open up this interface for you where you describe how you want to buy it. How to buy: choose the way you want to purchase the stock. Buy now, which means you want to buy presently, as at this time. As at the time I'm making this video, the time is 12. So for those who might not know the time to buy, if you want to buy instantly, you buy within 10:30 to 2 o'clock. The stock market will still be open as at then. Anything after 2 o'clock, you are going to, even if you log into your app, you will see market close. So that is that for that. So I will be using buy now. This buy now means I want to buy at the current price that this stock is selling, which is 99 naira, almost 100 naira. Buy this stock at the current price. That is the buy now. Then if you want to go for the limit order, you are going to be buy this stock at a price below the current market price. The goal is to buy on the cheaper side. So if you want to go for limit order, you can go for this, and then the third one, which is the third way or stage of, and then the third way of buying on the Bamboo app, which is the stop order. Buy this stock at a price above the current market price. It's a way to catch a stock on the way. So these are the 3 ways on how you can buy your stock on the Bamboo app. So I'll be using buy now. You will click on it and it will load up for you. Let's read through what you have here. Exchanges aim to execute market order quickly at the best available price. However, in fast-moving or less liquid markets, the final price may differ from what you saw when placing the order, sometimes higher. Limit order lets you set the exact price you are willing to buy or sell at. The order more control you are willing to buy or sell at. They offer more control but may not be filled if the market doesn't reach your price. They are ideal if you value price certainty over speed. This content is for informational purpose only and is not intended as a recommendation. Bamboo does not provide legal, financial or investment advice. Just as I said earlier in my video, that my video is for educational purpose only. I do not provide legal, financial or investment advice also. So once you've gone through this and you understood what you read, you check this mark and then you proceed with market order. The market order simply means you want to buy at the present price of the market. So within the twinkling of an eye that you want to buy, when we started this video, it was showing 99 naira. If by the time we click on buy now, the market has increased, it might increase to 105 naira or 110 naira. Then it is that price that the market is when we click on buy, that's our stock will be on. I don't know if you understand it. The price of the stock at the actual time that you are buying it, that you are placing that order, is the price you will be paying. So sometimes it fluctuates, sometimes it goes up and sometimes it comes down. You see, if you want to buy stock, sometimes you might be seeing 45 naira or 42 naira, and by the time you will want to buy, you will say that, oh, what was deducted is 48 naira. The fluctuation at that period that you are buying was the cost of the change that you have there, apart from the charges that will be added. So I hope we understand that. Now let's proceed with market order. You click on it and it will take you down to this place where you input how many number of shares do you want. So previously we have 99 naira per shares. 99 naira means for one share. So if you want to buy 100, you will be spending 9,900 for the shares for you to buy 100. If you want to buy 50, you will be spending, if you want to buy 50, you will be spending 4,950 for that same shares. I don't know if you understand it. So the amount you'll be spending will depend on the number of shares you want to hold. So we'll be holding 50 units of shares of Zenith Bank. We will be buying 50 units of shares of Zenith Bank. So you click on review order and it will load up and show you your review order. You can see this is the charges, this is order type, market buy, that is what we are buying. Number of shares, 50 units of shares. Price per share, that is 99 naira presently. Estimated amount is 4,950 naira. Estimated commission is 83 naira 13 kobo. So here is the total amount you will be paying to buy this particular Zenith shares currently at this price. So let's click on place order. It will load up. You can see it says sending order. It may take a couple of minutes. And you can see that order submitted. Your buy market order was successfully submitted. Okay, so right now let's go to view order details. You are going to see your details here, which you saw already before. Then you say okay, thanks. You can see your order of 50 shares of Zenith Bank has been placed. You can see that at the top of my phone. That is the alert, that is the notification that has been given to me that I just bought Zenith Bank of 50 units of shares. So like this, you have successfully buy your Zenith Bank shares on the Bamboo app. Let's go again to buy another shares. Another one that we'll be using as an example for us is GTCO. You can see the price of GTCO presently is at 113 naira. Then it will load up for you. You click on it, give it time to load up, input how many units of GTCO you want to buy. Let's assume we want to buy 50 also. That is 5,680 naira for 50 GTCO. Click on review order. So here we are buying at the market price, which is number of shares 50 units of shares. Price per one share is 113 naira 60 kobo. Estimated amount is 5,680. Estimated commission is 93.91 naira. Then the total amount is 5,773. So you place your order, allow it to load up, and boom, order submitted. Your buy market order was submitted successfully. You can see it at the upper part. Your order for 50 shares of GTCO has been placed. If you've watched to this extent and you are yet to like, quickly smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and drop your question if you have any question. I will see you in the next video.